Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Simple Sticky Notes on your Windows operating system. Simple Sticky Notes helps you create reminder notes. Unlike the Windows native Sticky Notes app, Simple Sticky Notes has diverse formatting options like different font styles, font colors, hyperlink. It also supports images, date and time, and special characters. Alright, let's get started in the install. Double click Microsoft Edge, type Simple Sticky Notes. That's all you need to type. Just press enter on your keyboard or use the first search option. Click on it. Do not click on anyone that says add. This is the official website, as you can see, simplestickynotes.com. Click on it and click here, download now, free, download now. Click on it. This is just add. Do not click on any of those. Scroll down and you will see download now. Click on it. Just close this out and it downloaded already. We could run it from here. However, close this out, go to your file explorer, click on downloads and double click the setup for Simple Sticky Notes. Grant permissions, click yes. Next, just follow the prompt next until next. Install, and it says launch finish, and this is just a thank you note. Close this out. This was Simple Sticky Notes look like. As you can see, the three dots, these are different features you have. Alright, let's close this out. We created a desktop icon for us, and if we wanted to pin it on our text bar, just go to your start menu, Windows start menu, and type Simple Sticky Notes. It will bring this up for you. Click on the drop down on the settings, pin to text bar. Click on this, pin to text bar, and here we are. Voila. This is Simple Sticky Notes, and that's all we're gonna do for today. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.